Okay, so there was a minor setback in the plan. So I took out like a $5,000 loan to be able to deploy my smart. Right. The plan was to build a platform on MarginFi, right? And this is MarginFi, right? This is some Sol that I have and some USDC. This USDC is not part of that loan. This $4,400 worth of Sol is part of that loan. There's $600 not account for there. Part of that is here. Or it's staked rather. I guess it's rather really it's in the wallet, just LSC that I have. I'm on dev, so I can't see it. Oh gosh. Uh, Developer settings, turn that off. Okay, go back. Now I can see it. That's $745. Although I think the price of Sol actually shot up when I bought it. But anyway, that's not really important. That doesn't even matter. Um, the point is, right? You can stake Sol and earn interest. There are also liquid tokens. This is a liquid staking token, an example of one. And the thing about liquid tokens is, like when you unstake a lot of different tokens, it takes days or whatever, and it depends on which network and which token and blah blah blah. But yeah, they have this this full withdrawal which will be available at the end of the epoch. It seems like they added an update. So I put in a I put in a message. I guess I'll have to see. I'll have to see if it's there or not. Because this was not here. This was not here. And because I basically lost Soul. I am missing 2 Soul. I unstaked some LST, and I should have gotten 2 Soul back because I had what? I mean, yeah, I just know that I should have gotten two Soul back, but it looks like they did update the UI, I guess. But yeah, I don't have it yet. But anyway, yes, where is that LST here? Because I had 6.2 LST, or 6.2 sold I could get back rather from unstaking 4.3 LST that I had. And this is how much soul I would have gotten back if I unstaked. But I only wanted 2, so I unstaked some of it, and I haven't gotten that back yet, which is a problem, right? There's that, but also, yeah, but I guess they're saying that I'm just supposed to get it back. In some cases, you do the unstake, and in the UI, you just come back after a certain amount of days, and you have to call another function to withdraw. But there's nothing like that, and there's no indication of what would happen. But it seems like they might be responding to my question, which was actually because it says that they respond in like 1 to 2 hours, but I messaged them 2 days ago about it. But there's something else wrong. There's another issue, which was problematic. Like in their instructions for how you unstake, to have this unstake at that IT link, but on this information on Reddit, I don't know where if I still have that, but yeah, this domain was bought by a different owner, and like if you go to that domain here, if you have the Phantom extension, it blocks it because it's on a list of websites that are like known for scamming, and they have that in their docs. It is an old website. It could be just outdated documentation, but that's not a good look. It's, yeah, the combination of all that is not a good look. But for the transit, made my account the stake pool withdrawal authority. So you would just think that after a certain number of days, I would just have the ability to withdraw. But yeah, it says unstake, says buy, but yeah, I still don't have that 2 Soul yet. But they said at the end of the epoch, which would really be like I don't know, I thought that theirs was like every 5 days or something. Like I know on Coinbase it is for Soul, and I thought it was something more like that. So I don't know. I don't know why their UI says 2 days if it's not 2 days, but I'm still waiting for it. Don't have it yet, but it does look like they updated their UI, and it might be response rate. It would be nice. I mean, because looking at the transaction, it seems like it might be cool. It would be nice just to build a platform or my platform on theirs. to get that interest for the whole plan to come together and not have to think about it too much. Because I did trust them, seeing the open sourceness and the ideas that they suggested in one, like literally looking like exactly what I wanted. So, yes, hopefully all this is fine. Because it just looked like something was missing in the UI to actually withdraw it. But and if that's the case, that's just kind of incompetence. But I don't know. I mean, UIs get broken and stuff, and it's really how you respond to issues that matter. And a good response would be enough. And then yeah, I could go with the original plan. But this is new, and this just came up like right when I'm making the video. So good for them. It wasn't there a second ago. So good for them that this is there as I'm making the video. But still, I'm still gonna just move forward without integrating, and just mentioning it. But yes, maybe could still use Margin 5 the platform. We'll have to see. But yes, kind of a minor setback right now, but we'll have to see. I should still be able to sell the LST that I have to get more sold, but I need at least 26 just to be able to deploy the chat protocol. I'm gonna wait for the M4A protocol um until I can get more sold for that. And also, I mean, I also needed I needed the market aspect of it. I would either have to program it myself or if I could use this platform. So maybe using Margin 5 will be okay, but we'll have to see. But yes, that's basically what happened. But yeah, the plan for now is that when I launch the website, I'll just set a 45-day countdown to the South Carolina beta. I think that should be enough time to get the markets worked out. Just giving it a Google search next Solana epoch is supposed to be July 20th. So we'll see if July 20th comes if I get my money. Well, but yeah, I don't know. Other websites says unstake in 1 to 2 days. If epoch is every 4 to 5 days, that doesn't make any sense. Yeah, hopefully it's just in my wallet. Yeah. Um. Yeah. I guess we'll see.